Today I'm going inside the process of how McDonald's ice cream is really made, and it's insane. This machine mixes thousands of liters of ice cream base every single hour.
Now DHIS is where the magic happens. The mix is cooled to the perfect temperature before turning into soft ice cream. This tunnel blasts freezing temperatures to turn the liquid mix into that soft, creamy McDonald's ice cream you love.
Wow, look at this day. It's finally turning into real soft serve texture.
They mix the flavors at exact temperatures so the ice cream gets that perfect McDonald's taste every single time.
This is the exact moment where the ice cream becomes soft, fluffy, and ready to serve.
Look at how many ice creams they make in just minutes. Why? This is crazy. I've watched the entire process, R&F. Now it's time to taste it.
This looks perfect, site. Let's try it.
To be honest, I never knew ice cream was made this fast.
So now we've seen the whole process from start to finish.
Honestly, this tastes way better when you know how it's made. And that is how McDonald's ice cream is really made.
If you want me to show how McFlurries are made next, go HIT that subscribe button.
It's crazy how much work goes into something we eat in seconds.
If you enjoyed this, wait till you see how McFlurries are made next. Make sure you subscribe.